As a truck owner, you know how quick your truck bed can get messy with tools, equipment, kids stuff, and many other things. But it doesn't have to be this way with the Molle panels from Putco. The Molle panels are made to fit on the inside of your truck bed with installation right above the wheel wells and at the front of the bed. And knowing that each truck bed is different, Putco has designed the panels to fit specific makes and models. We have the Molle panels installed on this 2021 Trail Boss, but Putco makes them for Jeeps, Fords, Toyotas, Nissans, Dodges, and GMCs as well. The Molle panels are the perfect addition for overlanding builds. They will give you plenty of space to arrange and prepare for any adventure that lies off the beaten path. What that means is that no matter if you are carrying Molle bags, trail gear, tools, axes, or something different, they will be secure and safely stored, all while leaving access to the factory tie-downs, bedside outlets, and lighting. And you don't have to worry about compatibility issues with your current accessories. The Molle panels are compatible with most tonneau covers and spray-in liners. The Molle panels are designed to be compatible with most industry-leading mounting accessories, including standard Molle products that use strap lacing method, as well as most strapping mechanisms like these quick fist clamps we have used here. Installation is simple and should take less than an hour. You want to loosely assemble your brackets and make sure you have your 5/16 bolt, tabbed washer, and nut plate. You will install the bolt through the bracket first, hand tightening it, then the tabbed washer, then the nut plate. Carefully go in at an angle and make sure the nut plate is placed perpendicular inside the oval, and use your hands to hold the bracket in place while using the hex key to tighten it down. Refrain from tightening down all the way until both brackets are in place. You can screw the panel on and make sure it's properly mounted. Next, you'll secure tools, gear, or other objects to the Molle panel, and you can do this both before and after product installation. No more junk in your truck bed. With these Molle panels, you can now organize and secure your tools and gear. The Molle panels are backed with a limited 3-year warranty and are made in the USA. If you are interested in purchasing the Putco Molle panels or having them installed, check out our dealer locator below. And as always, leave us a like or a comment, and thanks for watching. We'll see you next time on In the Garage.